Hello everybody, good morning. So these two kittens, they were living outside and we got a message to go pick them up. So one of our volunteers went and picked them up for me and they were starving. Okay, you just got done eating. You feel better now. Yeah, hi. Hi babies. It's all right, you don't have to be scared. Hi. Don't be scared. I'm not gonna hurt you. See? It's okay. Hi. Yeah. Hi, baby. You were starving, weren't you? Yeah. You're so cute. So, you cleaned up. Did you get a bite on your ear or something? What happened to your little ear? Oh, goodness. You gonna be okay? Oh. Okay, we'll get you all checked out. Yeah, we'll take you to the vet, get you spayed and neutered, and yeah, you should be old enough to get fixed. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. How's your ears? How you doing? You okay? Hey, hi, you sounding better. It's okay.